Right, hello everyone. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new Pixel 7 Pro Hazel and Golden color. It has just been delivered on 13th of October and it is looking absolutely brand new and sparkly. Also, I've managed to secure myself a Google Pixel Watch LTE as well, exactly in the same color. So we're going to unbox this in front of you. Let's see how it goes. So this looks pretty nicely packed. It even says the color. It's 7 Pro, 128 gig memory, and looks pretty good to me so far. And yeah, so I think they've got a little arrow here to open it, so we're just gonna quickly open it. Oh, look at that noise. Okay, that's done. Let's put it on the side, and it's time to open the box. Hallelujah. Oh my god, looks pretty good. There's a box has a little bit of a bevel in there, but I think that's to protect the phone. There's a hook which helps you take the phone out, which is brilliant. Okay, I've taken the phone out and the phone says sensors, USB-C, various different buttons. Looks pretty good. The camera looks really nice actually. The gold and the green, or the hazel green combination, is rather very appealing. Okay, what else we got here? So we seem to have a little adapter, which seems to be a USB-B to USB-C. Very nice. A USB-C cable, lovely. And something little here, which most likely to be a user manual. I think that's all we have here, and that looks pretty fancy. So it's good to have in case you want to charge it from a non-USB-C compliant device. Okay, we'll come to the phone in a bit. Let's put this aside for now. Let's put this in there, and let's unravel our Pixel Watch. So before I unravel it, I'll show you what it is. It's basically Wear OS by Google, and as you can see, it's an LTE watch, so not just a Wi-Fi, which is really cool. And that's what I was expecting. As I've bought it, part of my Pixel, Google has kindly been giving an offer where you can actually get either a watch or a headphones free if you order it within a specific day, which I did. Right, rather relatively easy to open the box. I've managed to take it out, opening the box. Hallelujah. Oh my god, look at it. So let's take it out. As you can see, there's a cable in there for charging your watch. There is the watch itself, and I think that might be a spare wrist they have given me. The watch itself looks really nice, very cool, very nice. Love the golden-ish dial, looks very nice, sparkly. What else do we have here? Now if you put it all down, it's like standard user manual. So just a Google user manual by Google itself, how you can put on the watch, how to get everything get going. So I think itself is looking rather very fancy. Now before we get on with that, let's turn on the watch, see what happens. There we go. That's just managed to come on. I like the fact that how cool is this. I like this Google logo, pretty good, I must say. If you look everything from here, looks pretty fancy to me, hey? Love the classic golden crown or the dial, so it's not too shabby. Whilst that kicking, we can get our phone up and running as well, hey? Okay, here we go. Seems to be booting. Okay, let's get this out. Oh my god, so sleek. So what have you here? I think you got few little bits and bobs there and there. Most likely a power button, USB-C, speakers, your SIM. I'm not sure what is this on the top. Probably for your memory card. Okay, so Google Watch is up and running. I think it's saying you need to sync it with your phone, but before we do that, let's get our phone up and running. So I'm going to press this. Here we go, the vibrate just came on. Phone has just turned on. Oh, like this. Right, little Google family here. Just can't go wrong with that. I'll just wait for the phone to boot up. I must say the packing is really good. I love the packing. Very simple. And you can even do just with your one hand. As you can see, I've got phone on the other hand and the packing and unpacking with the one hand, so it's not too bad. Welcome to Google Pixel. So I'm going to get started. Connect to your mobile network. Okay, download a SIM instead. Using SIM, so you can pretty much do all of that. So I wouldn't bore you all with any of this for now, but I think I just want to quickly show you unraveling and unboxing my new Google Pixel 7 Pro and Google Pixel Watch LTE. So let me know what you think. Give me your comments, give me your suggestions if how I can improve this, or if you want me to cover any other bit about Google Pixel Watch, Google Pixel Watch or Google Pixel 7 Pro, let me know. But for now, peace out everyone. Cheers.